Good morning, guys. It's your boy El Nico. It's your boy El Nico. Buenos días, mi gente de YouTube. Good morning, guys. Today is gonna be episode 1 of every Wednesday. Get a haircut with me. What's gonna happen every Wednesday when I'm going to get a haircut? You're on the way to the barbershop. Oh, say hello to my little friend in the back. Yes, sir. We're going on the way to West Palm Beach to get a haircut. Going to the barbershop. If you know where's my barbershop, you know where's my barbershop. All my fans, I appreciate all you guys love, all you guys support, all you guys view, all you guys subscribers. I don't know how to explain it.
Yes.
But thank you, thank God, thank you guys. If not for you guys, Nico is not here. Okay, if you're new to this channel, go ahead, smash that button, subscribe, notification on. Every Wednesday we're gonna drop a video. Every Wednesday we're gonna drop a video of Nico getting a haircut. Nico getting a haircut. So you don't know what's gonna happen. You don't know what's happening. So I'm gonna put my life on you guys. I'm gonna put more of my lifestyle for you guys. I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be driving to West Palm. I'm gonna be recording a lot. It's raining. If you guys wanna see, it's really raining. Like, it's bad outside. Whoa, what you doing, man? There we go. We already start with another funny video today. Let's go. Stay tuned, guys. Go ahead and subscribe. We're gonna be here. We're on the way to West Palm. I have to pay attention to the road. It's raining. The people don't know how to drive. So, hey guys, stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and check me out. And all my subscribers, all my views, hey, thank you guys with all my heart. With all my heart. Se lo agradezco con todo mi corazón. With all my heart, guys. We're gonna keep going. For you guys, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep bringing more content for you guys. So go ahead and subscribe. Every Wednesday, a haircut with Nico. Stay tuned. Bien, mi gente, llegamos a West Palm. Ya estamos en West Palm. Señoras y señores. Estamos aquí. Estamos West Palm Beach. You already know the monster is right there. The coach back. Inside that coach back. What's going on inside that coach back? What's going on with these people honking on I don't know nobody? Like, what's wrong with you guys? What's wrong? Hey, that light is yellow, bro. I'm not stopping in there. Hey, we still got it. We still got it. Yeah, we still got it. They told me I got out from the moped, but now we got this. And we got this. Like, we got both of them. Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you, God, for everything, guys. Y yo les agradezco a todo el mundo. Thank you all my fans. Thank you all my subscribers. We here. Yes, sir. The new car. Hey, go and get a haircut now. We're almost there. So stay tuned. We back out here. Yeah. Mira, Yandel, llegamos. Me cago en 10. Llegamos, gente. Monday to Tuesday, hey, ahí estamos, mi gente. Hey, mala mía por el monte y la comida, mi gente, pero estamos aquí. Llegamos. Mira, ahí ven, Gavilán. Estamos aquí, cabrones. ¿Qué es lo que hay? Estamos haciendo mi barbero vaquero. ¡Ey, jale! ¡Échale! Estamos aquí, dímelo, vaquero. Vamos a irnos viral con este vlog hoy. So, papi, mi gente, lo prometido es deuda. We out here. We're doing a haircut. I'm gonna give you like later on because my barber start complaining about stop moving, stop doing that. Stop. Stay tuned, guys. We out here. Mi gente, we back. Acabamos de salir. Freshy time. Acabamos de salir, papi. Vamos de camino para casa de la vieja. Sí, mi gente, estamos aquí y vamos a seguir. Esto es un vlogging all day. All day blogging. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. Go subscribe.